Now we can have a look inside the car. Driver is sitting in the entry position, and when the driver is now touching or pressing on the start-stop button in the middle console, you see the driver is standing in the correct position for driving. You can reach perfectly the steering wheel. So as you see, the driver is going back in a comfortable position for relaxing. He's not longer needed to drive or focus on street. So he lay back, sit relaxing on the seat while he's watching, for example, some movies or some mobile office. So you can now enjoy the time in the car when you are not need to drive by yourself, just for relaxing. Driver's back in the driving position. Reach the steering wheel again in the middle console. The rotary switch also move forward again. So we are back in the driving position. And in our showcase, in our story now, the driver reached the destination, and now we need to take care about charging our demonstration. Our charging interface, which is also one product which Marquardt supplies for the future, is managed here by this holographic display. This holographic display is also really view angle dependent, so you really have to have a look from the front side and side. Here we have a display which is possible to use in the air. It means when I enter the plug, I can generate some different functions to charge my car, and this completely in the air. So I can touch through the display. It means I can, here with the reflection of a display in the back side and the micro lens structure in the front side, transfer the display into a flying position. And together with some sensor systems from Marquardt, we can now localize the position of the finger. Means I can even grab such a slider and define my time I want to charge, or maybe also the budget or the distance I have. And everything only in the air, and a new way how to integrate display.